we expected the result. The margin also I expected in the early stage itself in Mandya. I congratulate the voters. My regards with them. I wanted to fulfill the actually Mandya people what they are expecting from me as a member of parliament. I will try to actually fulfill all their expectations.
So what went wrong in Hassan, sir?
Hassan, little problem is there. I wanted to settle it. I don't want to express in the public the problem what we have faced in that area. We will try to settle it in future days.
ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಹಾಸನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಭರ್ಜರಿ ಗೆಲುವು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
ಈಗ ಇದು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದೇ ನನಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಚ್ಚರಿ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ.